I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to cancel the auto renewal for your Apple Music subscription, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This is where you'll manage your subscriptions. Step 2. Tap your Apple ID. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name or Apple ID. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Subscriptions. Scroll down and find the Subscriptions option. Tap on it to view all your active subscriptions. Step 4. Choose Apple Music. In the list of subscriptions, find and select Apple Music. This will open the details of your subscription. Step 5. Turn off Auto Renew. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the #com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Keep in mind that if you don't see the option to turn off Auto Renew, it might be because your subscription is already set to expire soon. I hope this helps you manage your Apple Music subscription easily. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.